How to clean soap scum from glass shower doors. Hey there! If you're tired of battling those stubborn soap scum stains on your glass shower doors, you've come to the right place. Soap scum builds up when soap, minerals, and water combine, leaving behind a cloudy, unsightly residue that's tough to remove. But don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to clean soap scum quickly, effectively, and without damaging your glass. We'll talk about simple household solutions you probably already have, like vinegar and baking soda, and explore some commercial products for those really tough stains. Plus, I'll share expert tips to prevent soap scum from coming back, so you can keep your shower doors crystal clear for weeks to come. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools and tricks you need to make your shower doors shine like new. So grab your gloves, and let's dive in. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to using commercial or homemade cleaners and preventing the buildup of soap scum. Now let's get started. Method 1. Using commercial or homemade cleaners. Number 1. Clean soap scum with a commercial glass cleaner if you have it. Spray a little bit of the cleaner on a small area of your shower door, then wipe it off with a clean cloth. If this test spray works, repeat this process on the rest of the shower door to clean all the soap scum off of it. You can buy commercial glass cleaners like Windex or Glance at any grocery store that sells cleaning supplies. You can also try removing the soap scum with an all-purpose bathroom surface cleaner, although this isn't as likely to be effective as a glass cleaner. Number 2. Opt for a damp magic cleaning eraser or dryer sheet for small jobs. Soak the magic cleaning eraser or dryer sheet in a small amount of clean water. Then, scrub the scummy area in a small, circular motion to clean it. This is the best option to take if there's only a little bit of soap scum you have to clean. You can buy magic erasers and dryer sheets at any grocery store. Using a magic cleaning eraser is also the best method to use if you don't want to put any chemicals or scented products on your shower door. Number 3. Use a homemade cleaner made out of vinegar and dish soap. Bring a small pot of vinegar to a boil. Then, using a measuring cup, add equal parts of hot vinegar and dish soap to a spray bottle and mix the ingredients together. Spray this mixture onto the soap scum and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. Finally, rinse the mixture off of the door while scrubbing it with a microfiber cloth. Be very careful when working with hot vinegar, as it will burn you if you get it on your skin. For best results, leave the mixture on your shower door overnight before rinsing it off. If there's any scum that doesn't come off when you scrub it with the microfiber cloth, switch to a stiff bristled brush and scrub a bit more forcefully. Number 4. Mix vinegar and baking soda to clean stains as well as soap scum. Pour half a cup, 115 grams, of baking soda into a small bucket, then add about a quarter cup, 59 milliliters, of white vinegar to the bucket. Use a spoon to stir these ingredients into a paste. Dip a clean sponge into the paste and wipe it on your shower door. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then rinse the paste off the door while scrubbing it with a microfiber cloth. The paste that forms in the bucket should be about the consistency of pancake batter. You may need to add a bit more baking soda or a bit more vinegar to the mix in order to get it to this consistency. This is the best method to use if there are also hard water stains on your shower door that you want to get rid of. Number 5. Go with toilet bowl cleaner if that's all you have. Although it's not designed for cleaning glass shower doors, toilet bowl cleaner is occasionally effective at removing soap scum. Soak a sponge in hot water, then apply a small amount of toilet bowl cleaner to the sponge. Wipe the shower door with the sponge to clean off the soap scum, then rinse off the residue once you're done. Be sure to keep your bathroom well ventilated when using toilet bowl cleaner. The odors from the cleaner can be pretty powerful, especially in a small room. Number 6. Use lemon juice and salt if the door frame is made of metal. This is the best cleaning method to use to also remove any rust on your door's metal frame. Mix 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, of lemon juice with 2 tablespoons, 34 grams, of salt to form a cleaning paste. Use an old toothbrush to scrub this mixture into the door frame and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Finally, rinse it off with warm water. Make sure you apply this paste to the corners of your shower door's frame, as this is where rust and soap scum are likely to build up and harder to clean otherwise. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Preventing the buildup of soap scum. Number 1. Switch to body wash instead of bar soap in the shower. Soap scum is caused by the organic animal fat contained in bar soap. If you don't like using synthetic body wash, you can also opt to use fat-free soap and shampoo instead of ordinary bar soap. You can buy body wash at any store that also sells bar soap. To buy fat-free bar soap, you may need to go to a health and beauty shop or a cosmetic store. Number 2. Dry the door with a squeegee after every shower you take. Keeping your shower door dry whenever you're not actually in the shower is a great way to prevent the buildup of soap scum as well as mold. If you don't have a squeegee, you can also use a clean towel to keep your door dry. Squeegees tend to be pretty cost-effective and you can usually buy them in the cleaning section of most grocery stores and mass retailers. This may seem like a chore to do in the short term, but it's much easier to squeegee your shower door after you shower than it is to clean off soap scum that's been building up for a long time. You should also open your bathroom windows or leave the fan running for at least 30 minutes after every shower. This will help dry out the bathroom and prevent the growth of mold and mildew. Number 3. Apply baby oil or white vinegar to the shower door. Put some baby oil or vinegar on a scouring brush, then scrub the oil or vinegar onto the entire surface of the door. Finally, rinse off the door with warm water. Repeat this process once a week to keep your shower door scum-free. The chemical compositions of baby oil and white vinegar both work to repel soap scum, making it much less likely to accumulate on your shower door. Be sure to rinse the door really well if you use baby oil, since it may cling a bit to the door. You can also use commercial glass cleaning products, such as Rain-X, to prevent buildup. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Before you start cleaning your shower door, take a hot shower or just let the hot water run for a while to steam up the room. This will help loosen and soften the soap scum on the door so that it's easier to clean away. 2. As an alternative to vinegar, try mixing up 1 part ammonia to 3 parts water in a spray bottle. Spray the mixture on your shower door and scrub away the soap scum, then rinse the door with water and dry it with a squeegee or lint-free towel. 3. You may want to lay down some tarp or old sheets on your bathroom floor to protect your floor during this cleaning process. 4. Avoid oily products such as special conditioners. If you must use them, be more diligent about cleaning the shower. 5. Make it a habit to dry the shower after each use. A squeegee makes drying much easier. It's also helpful to keep an old towel handy to wipe over the shower walls to prevent buildup. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Warnings. Be sure to wear rubber gloves and a safety mask when working with cleaning chemicals in a closed space. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.